Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kotlin programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the control flow in Kotlins. So there are four control flows in Kotlin, like uh, for loop, while loop, when statement, and if else. So we will start with the coding part now. So I have set here and I want to iterate the all the elements of this set using for loop. Okay, so this is the syntax of for. I'm using month in months. I think this is my months. Okay, and I will print the value of month using string interpolation. So when I run this code, I I will get this all the elements from Jan to June. Here you can see. Okay, guys. So there is one more way to iterate the loops. I'm using here the range for iterating the values. Range I already discussed in my previous video. If you missed that, please you can see that video and you can continue. So I will explain whatever written over here. So this means that it is a range. It is range means it it starts with 1 and continue up to 12. Means it start with 1 2 3 4 up to 12, and the value of and this number's value will get increased by 2 by 2. So if I want to print the value of I, which is then how it will prints, it will print first 1, then increment its value by 2, means 3, then it will print 3, again it will increment by 2, means 5, uh, until its value not satisfied up to 12. Okay, so if we run this code, if you run this code, you will see one, look at here, 1 3 5 7 9 up to 11. Okay, guys, so this is all about the for loop. This is very simple loop. To the second loop, which is while loop. I'm creating one situation here, and I want to print hello Kotlin 5 times. Then what? The simple, we can also use for loop as well as while loop. So I will iterate the loop till its value is greater than 0. So I'm creating one variable here, x equals to 5. Okay, and I'm gonna print here hello Kotlin, decrement its value by 1. So when I run this code, you will see hello Kotlin prints 5 times. Hello Kotlin will print is printed 5 times. So this is simple while loop. There's no extra things we need to understand in there. We just need to remember this thing. The condition should be fulfilled. Now we will discuss if else part. So I'm taking one example here. If he got 35% in their school examination, then we mark it as pass. Means simple condition is here. If percentage is greater than 35, then it is pass. Else we will write here if else condition for this scenario. Okay, I'm written here if. First, before that, we will create some variables. Now we will compare if the student percentage is greater than passing percentage, then print student pass. Okay, else what? He's fail. Print simple condition I applied here, student fail. Okay, guys, so when I'm run this code, uh, it means student fail should come. Okay, so student fail. If I increase value of students percentage, then it will say that student pass. So this is simple if else condition. You can also use ladder if else, means like you can also put here if condition, and put some other conditions. If it is not satisfied, then go to else part. So this is how you can do if else part. And one more thing, guys, there's no ternary operator is in control flow in Kotlin. uh, it is removed. uh, for that you can also use if else conditions instead of ternary expression. Okay, guys, now we will jump to the next part, which is when statement is a replacement of switch. If you belongs to the Java background, then you must probably know that what is switch and how we can use that. Also, if you know the C and C++, there is also concept of switch. So it is very easy to relate that with the help of when. So we will not much discuss about when and switch. So it is very simple. So I'm gonna write one example of when. So I'm passing one variable, okay, guys, through this control flow. So if means like is int, then what I will print this is integer. Okay, integer is string, then it will print this is string. Okay, guys, is float, it will print, and if it is not belongs to int, string or float, then I will write here else part, which is a default. Means in a switch we are writing default keyword. Instead of that, here we have else keyword. Okay, guys, so here we will print unknown. Okay, guys, instead of int we should write here any. Okay, now we will run this code. Okay, and let's see what the output we get. This is integer. Okay, because this is int type of variable. Now if I am passing 12 in double quotes, then it should print this is string. Okay, this is string. And what if I write it like this? This is float. Okay, and now the last one, unknown data type. Okay, so this is all about the all the control flow in Kotlin, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video channel.